1960s WeatherWheel.
1960s WeatherWheel.
Oh, that's the coil. I thought that's where the fan would be.
The blower is back here.
Yeah.
On these. Ready to fire it up?
Yeah. Brush is right here.
There we go.
It's nice and quiet.
Already rejecting me. This thing is smooth. It's already
What year is this?
putting out heat.
67.
67? That's right, the air comes out of the wheel. Hence the name.
Nice and cool.
Weather wheel.
Some sort of superhero symbol right there or something. That's what that is.
Got the overgrowth for us.
What mode is it on right now?
Smooth arc. And it's got the
It
little
is.
cover here.
No, I didn't notice that.
Very smooth. Freaking ice cold. Recent. I guess right down to business. Doesn't take
There's a
forever to build
filter right
carefully.
there.
Yeah, the grill does really kind of quiet the sound of the blower. I'll show you that.
That's cool. That looks pretty good.
Yeah. Clean coil.
So, feels like I just put my hand in the freezer.
Beast.
This thing is
Shut it off. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the old shake.
It's mainly the coils and like the cages.
Typical
Classic.
for old age.
For a reset.
Yeah, they recite to do that.
Yeah.
That's about it.
That'll do it.
Clean bearings, or I guess
That thing's cool.
good spin down.
Oh, my bad.
It is your bad.
Yeah, it was like no.